Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your FreshSales CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you schedule a meeting in your FreshSales CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to schedule a meeting in FreshSales anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that automating certain processes is going to save you a lot of time and also can increase conversions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your FreshSales CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my FreshSales CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and schedule a meeting, what you're going to do is click on this plus icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to look for this button here called Add Meeting. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and design your meeting. So first, you're going to go ahead and title it. So let's say YouTube consult meeting about cartoons. Okay, and now we can go ahead and set the start date. So let's see here. We'll go ahead and choose this as February 19th, and this will be at noon. So we're going to change this to noon. Okay, and it's a 1 hour. So we're going to do 2:19, and it's going to run until 1 p.m. So we'll do 1300. And here you can go ahead and choose the time zone. Let me go ahead and we'll put Mexico City and the location. So if this is going to be in person, you can go ahead and put the location there. But for me, this is going to be a Zoom meeting. And then for the attendees up here on the top right, you're going to go ahead and choose an attendee. So we'll just choose Ralph. Okay, this is optional, but you can do related to. So if you click right here, it can be other contacts, accounts, or deals you can put in here. So I'm not going to do that. And as you can see right here, it's a Zoom meeting. So it's automatically going to connect you with a Zoom ID and a passcode if you've added your Zoom. If not, you can go ahead and add Zoom by clicking right here, add Zoom meeting. Or if you have Microsoft Teams, you can go ahead and use that. And here you can go ahead and add a description into your meeting, be there or be square. Okay, now if you have already connected your Google Calendar or your Connect Office, it's going to share this information into your Google Calendar automatically. Okay, so all that looks pretty good. Once you're ready to go ahead and set up your meeting inside of FreshSales, go ahead and click on Save. Okay, quick second later, you're going to see this pop up down here. So the meeting has been scheduled, and then all of the contacts will receive an email confirming that they have been invited to that meeting. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up a meeting inside of FreshSales CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. The rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.